our primary responsibility is twofold. We have responsibility for the prevention of introduction of any plant pests into Jamaica that may affect not just agriculture but also our environment. But of course, you understand the importance of it affecting agriculture because agriculture remains one of the major drivers of growth in this country. Our other major function is that we do the certification of exports, that's agricultural exports leaving Jamaica. Again, another major responsibility because the export of agricultural produce, of course, is also important to Jamaica and Jamaica's economy. So we have those two. We execute our functions really by doing one of two things. We provide import permits for the import of all plants and plant products, and that's how we ensure that whatever risk these plant and plant products pose, then we're able to actually indicate to our trading partners what's Jamaica's requirement. And when that product would have entered Jamaica, we also do inspection. On the other hand, we do the certification and treatment of agricultural produce again, the yam, the scallion, the Irish potatoes, etc., leaving Jamaica to other countries. We also work with our stakeholders in ensuring that we constantly monitor the pest status, and that is of new pests into the country. Maybe one of the recent pests that we had introduced into Jamaica would have been the frosty pod rot of cocoa, and that would have been in our recent memory. And so we work with the other divisions of the ministry, particularly the Research and Development Unit, in actually executing our function. All right, so one of the agencies that we work with will be the Customs Authority. And we say that they perform agency function for the plant quarantine branch. And so they do have X-ray machines where they're actually looking for agricultural items at the port of entries. So that includes both the seaport as well as the airports.
We're in an age now of commerce, e-commerce, where we can shop online. We carry the beauty of our home, the comfort of our home, and we buy anything online. But the threat posed with that is that we still need to protect our border. So things can come straight to your doorstep. However, you still need to apply for import permit. The beauty of the plant quarantine unit is that now we also are technology savvy. So the import unit also you can apply for import permit online. So you can just go to the Ministry of Agriculture, MOA Trade website and apply for your permit. So whilst you're shopping online in the comfort of your home, use the same comfort and apply for your import permit. Secondly, we're looking at seeds. Seeds nowadays are easily packed, they are small, easily hidden, and those are contraband that can come into the country. We want to ensure that ministry is driving production, so everybody wants to bring in seeds. However, these seeds still need to have an import permit. Tourism is there, as we all know, is our bread and butter, and it is we can't do it without tourism. However, if we destroy the sector, our tourism is also going to destroy. Everybody wants to see the Jamaica being beautiful, right? So we implore and the tourism sector, all the players in it, to ensure that they tell their tourists to ensure that when they come to the country, keep their fruits and vegetables on board, whether it's on the ship or in the aircraft. Because we have a situation on the cruise ship when people going back onto the ship, we are seeing a proliferation of fruits and vegetables. So what we're asking you to do is just ensure that enjoy it on board, don't take it out. Because we have a situation in our neighboring country where one of the major food fly, but which if we get that, the entire country's export is shut down. That has been, has introduced to that country by way of tourism. They have proven that. Traceability have allowed them to do that. So we want to employ on the tourism sector. We need it, but at the same time, we need to protect our sector. Another thing that we need to have farm worker. Farm worker, we all need that. I mean, the farm worker, they move from different countries. And one of the things with farm workers is that everything they want to keep at the Jamaica to plant. Everybody wants to go. Jamaica, the climate here is conducive to production. So go and take everything. Don't hide it in your shoes. Don't hide it in your jacket. Just apply for import permit.
And something works perfectly in England. England is not Jamaica. You know, even if you bring in a new variety and they say it's supposed to grow well in this temperature, you have different situations in Jamaica. Besides the climate, you also have the social behavior of farmers. While you may always plant your plants in Manchester, that's where it's predominantly grown, it may grow fine there, but if you want to plant it in St. Thomas, it may not. And these are the type of things that the research division now investigates. So it's not only at our local area in Old Harbour, but we also do the research in other farms over the island to ensure that wherever you carry it, it would actually work. And if it doesn't, you knew beforehand.
It is illegal for you to bring any plant product in the country without a permit. You'll be fined and you'll be sent to prison if you do not adhere to the law.
If you intend any at all to import any plant and plant product, and we say to you, if you're not certain whether or not you need a permit, call the Ministry of Agriculture Plant Quarantine Branch and we will be able to advise you. We do have a Facebook page, we do have a Twitter page. So any means that you use to communicate with us, we will get that information to you.